So in this video, I'm going to show you how I got this light working. All right, my friend needs me to take this apart and save this cord, repurpose it for another set of fluorescent lights. So we're going to see if we can do that. Looks like there's a tab in here maybe. Not sure what that does. That's how we open it up. So this just comes off now. Yep, comes apart. Okay, there's a transformer. Alright, so we're going to remove or cut these 3 wires, which is the hot, the neutral, and the ground. And then we'll have to figure out what's what with an ohm tester. So it looks like this goes through down to here, right to there. So that's crazy. That really wasn't like held on well, and that metal was getting all kind of rusted. Alright, so we got that free, so now we just need to cut the neutral and the hot. So this guy goes to the transformer, neutral goes in here. Alright, so we're just going to snip it somewhere around here. Alright, so we'll cut the wire here, and we'll cut this one here. So now we can remove our grommet here. So let's see if we can snip this out. Alright, now we'll cut to here. Yay, got it free. Alright, now I can remove the grommet, I think. There you go. Just like that. Alright, so now we got the wire free. Then we'll have to use our ohm tester to figure out what's what. Alright, so let's trash this stuff because we no longer need it. This is garbage now. Okay, now this we want to be careful with because this is the good one. We think it's the good one. Alright, so we need to get to the inside here. Right. Okay, that was fun. Not. Okay, now I want to keep these bulbs separate because as far as I know, these bulbs are bad. You can see there's a lot of black on the end of this one here. Alright, so we're gonna put these over here separate. I used to break these when I was a kid. That was so much fun. Alright, now we're gonna see how this comes apart. Alright, looks like we just squeeze and it pops out. Exposes the wiring. Alright, here's the wiring. So we got neutral, black. He cut the wire like really short. Oh boy. Alright, and then we got to hook up ground. So I got to figure out where's a good ground, maybe on this side. Alright, so we need to do a Romex connector, so I'll probably do one right here. I do have a Romex connector. I got one. So this is the neutral, this is the hot, and ground. I'll have to ground someplace under here. But we're gonna bend off this guy here. Oh. Alright. And we're gonna leave the connection for the Romex on the outside of the box. So we push this through like a so. Come on. I always give it a whack to tighten it up just a little bit more. All right, all right. All right, so now we need this wire to pull through. I think I can leave this on the outside because I'll ground it right to that screw there. So we'll take all three wires actually and push it through. Then we'll leave the green wire sticking out some. See if it's long enough to reach there. Yes, it is. All right, so now I'm going to clamp down this. So yeah, so I'm tightening down this Romex connector here. And now we need to connect up this ground. All right, so I got a spade connector here that I'm using. All right, we're connected. And I'll proceed to there we go. Now we got a good connection. Oh. All right, you still don't know what's neutral yet, so we gotta figure that out. Strip this wire. No, it's solid. And that one is stranded. Oh yeah, we gotta strip this other wires coming out of the ballast. Alright, got those two wires. So now I'll see if we can figure out what's neutral and what's not. So this is my old Fluke meter from Siemens. So it used to be more products, Siemens, back in the day where I worked. Left is always neutral. Okay, so this one is neutral. This left one here is neutral. It's always good to have a ohm meter, would you? Alright, so that means this right one is not neutral, aka hot. Alright. Just these little wire caps here, that's all I needed. Alright, so we're going to crimp this on to this guy here. And I'll still give it the old electrical tape covering too. Okay. Alright, so the first one. This will help to keep the connector from falling off too. Not that it would, because I really crimped it on, but you never know. I always do this extra stuff. This one I got to tape differently because it's not that long. So I'll do a bunch of over-under stuff. See, so there are the tabs right there. Hopefully you can see that tab. Alright, so then plug this bad boy in. So it goes in this way. Okay, and then goes in this way. Here we go. So that worked. Oh yeah. You can see the brightness. The light. The light. Yes, look at the light. It's very light-like. Yeah, so that works. I didn't cross the streams. And here it is with the cover on. Yeah, so just helping Blaise out. And that's the plug I put on. So when I plug it out, it's all good. It's all good. Oh, it's so bright. So bright. So this is another example of helping you save money, where we're able to repurpose an old light that was taken down from an office in working condition, and taking another light where the ballast transformer stopped working, and we took the cord from the bad one and put it into this one. The only thing I had to do was use a Romex connector, 3/8 inch Romex connector, and use that to secure the wire so it doesn't pull out and cause an electrical hazard. And then some wire connectors. One was a spade lug for the screw for the ground connection, because whenever you have metal in electrical, you need to make sure that the metal is grounded. So we made sure that that was done. And then now we have our neutral and our hot connected to the right things. So yeah, it's another way you save money. Ba-da-ba-ba. That's how we roll.